Yo, what is going on, guys? My name is RattleGammingSnake and welcome to gameplay of Gangstar Vegas 4. This is like a GTA for mobile. This is like mobile version. So I already did some stuff. I didn't do I didn't do any missions. I just roamed around the town, and that's what we're gonna do in this episode. So yeah, that's it. I'm just gonna turn off the camera. Okay, so now we can continue. Let's go to this. Okay, come on. Let's go. And now, as you can see, this is something like GTA. Not quite, but something like. I love the motors the best because they're like awesome. Let's climb. Let's continue. We're not gonna do any missions this episode, so yeah. Let's beat up that human. Why would you say that about my mama, huh? You asshole. I just got beat down. Whoa. Okay, let's see. That wasn't quite good. Let's go this way. No. This way. Wait. Controlling sensitivity is awful in this game. Okay. So, this will do for the beginning. Okay. Run. Okay. So this is very cool game. You guys should check it out. Okay, we're driving just in one direction. This was not even a street. Oh, that turn. That turn though. So the thing about this game is that I wanna actually drive the helicopter or the airplane or the airplane, because you can do that in this game, which is always awesome. I wouldn't want to drive that. Last time I went to, I think it's a military base, they killed me, so we're going to enter with a car. You know? So yeah. We probably shouldn't do that in the dark, but who gives a crap? Okay? You know what I'm saying? You probably do. Okay, so military base should not be far away from here. Okay, something like GTA, like I mentioned, but not quite. Wait, what is in here? Let's check out, we might have missed something. Okay, what is here? Let me see if there are any speedboats like down there, because I saw some of them. Yeah, I want to go there. We need to... Oh my god, but it's hard. Oh my god, I just wanted a speedboat. Okay, there's one coming. Oh my god. I think we can't enter. You know what? Go. Yes! We did it! That was my leg hitting my table. I'm the king of this lake. Is this a lake? I love this. And we can shoot stuff. Oh, awesome. I love this game so far. It's really, really cool. Okay. It's awesome. Trust me. You guys should check it out. I'm just so into this game right now. Okay. Enough of that. Come on, let's go. What? Oh. It's morning. It always lags a little bit when it's like morning time. So, yeah. Speed boat. What's that thing? Probably. I always wanted to drive one of these. Yes. I love this game. It's so awesome. I hate this game. It sucks. Okay, let's go. Full speed. Come on. Okay. This is interesting. Okay, so I really like this game. Turn down for what? Okay, can we go up there? Oh my god, it would be awesome. Nope. But there's the military base. Gotta go, dudes. See ya. And here's my car. Awesome. Okay. So we shall enter in the military base. Like with the car. So yeah. Windmills. This must be made by Dutchman. I think it's Dutchman. I think it's pronounced like that. Dutchman. Oh, awesome. And I think out here you can find your own helicopter. It's going to be hell right now. Shit. Oh shit. Okay. So I'm escaping. Oh shit. So there's a helicopter above me. A helicopter. Where the fuck are you right now? Where the fuck is helicopter? Okay. Oh man, I can't wait to get inside one of these. Oh man, you have to see my face. Okay, so we go up. We get to shoot stuff. Oh man. Not me. Oh shit. We're burning. Fuck! No! No way! What the? A meteor rain? A meteor shower? What the Oh, we're inside a mall. I think we're inside a mall. Okay. Let's go rob some people. Let's go and rob everybody. What's in here? Nothing. Nothing. Since when you can drive inside a mall? Oh, a police car. Yes. We're the law right now. We're the law right now. Nobody's better. Oh, that's some sweet. Not even Dexter AC is better driver than me. Look at these skills. I got crashed 13 times by now. Oh, hell no. Come on, please. So this episode is going to be about police, me, so yeah. Oh my god, I don't want to end this episode, it's awesome. Oh, we should probably run, but what the lame. What the fuck is that car? Okay. You should check out. Yes, a biker. Yes, I love bikes. But you have to lean, which is not really useful. But it's better than some. Oh my god. And I survived. I'm experiencing the human boundaries. So, okay. Why didn't they just put the arrows like on the cars? Oh shit. Wait. Okay. Yes. Okay. So, yeah. Come on. No, I don't want to exit the car. You silly. Okay, I get it. How this shit works. Come on. I got it. Okay, so oh, that landing though. Oh, I didn't want to exit the freaking motor. Okay, let's go. Okay, so I'm just tapping like the screen. Let's race, you motorcycle bastard. I beat you. Wait. Okay, let's go. This seems awfully familiar, probably because I've been here. Okay. So, like this and this. Oh, that parking. That parking though. Turn down for what? Okay. Come on. Look at these skills. Look at me. Okay, come on. Oh, shit, cops. Okay, we should go to the hills. Okay, it's going to be safer there. Okay. We got our own motorcycle. I don't give a shit right now. Let's go and try to steal the shit. Oh my god. It's awesome. This shit is awesome. Oh my god. But you can't get inside it. It's not so awesome anymore. Okay. So I guess we're at some... Oh, gerekt. Seriously? Oh my god. Okay. So we shall try this one more time. Okay. Come on, let's continue. 4%. I have to go fast. But I'm the best at fast, so it won't be a problem. Oh my god. How can I get out of this shit? There anything? Anyone? Oh, almost. Almost. Almost did it. Come on. So we shall go backwards. Okay. Seriously? Okay. So day-night time has changed. Okay, come on, please, please, please. You know what? I think I'm going to end this episode right here. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this episode of Gangstar Vegas 4, if you did enjoy it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more GTA mobile version. That's how I'm going to say it from right now. It's awesome games, It's awesome game. You guys should check it out. And of course, well, while we're speaking about checking out, don't forget to check out X-Tracy, and don't forget to check out Taste the Frickin' Shoelace, Speed Monster, who is my cousin, and Evil. Evil is Counter-Strike type. Speed Monster is, well, he likes Five Nights at Freddy's. He likes Call of Duty. X-Tracy is mostly Need for Speed type. And there's the freaking Shoelace is more games. So if you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I guess I will see you guys in the next one. Please subscribe.